You may have heard the term sad belly button, and this is when the belly button actually literally looks like a sad face because the tissues surrounding the belly button start to droop and sag. Now, why can this happen? This can happen after patients who have lost a significant amount of weight. And one of the techniques that we have available to correct a sad belly button is to tighten the skin around it so that it no longer looks sad. And one of the devices that we use is Renuvion, which is an energy-based device that helps to tighten the skin, and it can restore some of the tightness of the skin around the belly button so that there's no more loose or hanging skin surrounding the belly button area. Renuvion is a very effective technique for tightening the skin. It's something that we use frequently to correct a sad belly button. Now, in certain cases after liposuction, Renuvion is the perfect accompaniment to tighten the skin around the belly button, even if the patient doesn't have a sad belly button prior to surgery. But using the Renuvion and tightening the skin can help maximize the results and prevent any loose or hanging skin from occurring post-surgery around the belly button.